let's do our levels because I don't have levels here on my charts. So I'm gonna start with yes. I'm gonna put pre-market high, yesterday's highs, pretty much the same level, and then the lows. Yesterday, look how easy it was in the afternoon. Very clean downtrend in the afternoon. Morning, very choppy, and then after it broke support, it was just all the way down. Like very easy break, retest, boom. Look at NQ here. We have yesterday's highs, resistance here. We're having, I guess, this rejection level right now. We have support here. So I'm ready for today. Okay, so we have ES right at resistance at yesterday's highs. Let's see if it's gonna break that resistance or we're gonna reject here. Okay, really nice breakout. Well, trying. The market is trying to break out here. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. It's gonna close strongly above resistance or with a long wick at the top rejecting resistance. Above Friday highs, we have gaps. So if the market is strong today, we could go for those gaps. I'm watching this yesterday's highs level on NQ because if NQ can really hold that level, we could go for the gap above. Okay, let's see if NQ is gonna hold here. Nvidia is super bullish, very, very strong. Weird that NQ is not moving way higher with what Nvidia is doing. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I want to see NQ holding these wicks here. Doesn't look like it's gonna do it. Yeah, I'm out. Man, nothing is working for me lately. Did I got fake out there? Like every single day? These past few weeks? It looked like a clear reaction that I'm gonna try. Nvidia is about to hit. It looks like it wants to go to 171. Yeah, I got a stop out there. Perfect. Beautiful. I got a fake out to the upside and the downside. Yeah, I definitely like a lot this consolidation on NQ. The only problem that I have is 171 on Nvidia, and we have also this resistance here on ES. It's gonna hold previous day's highs, PDH. And NQ watching the 50% retracement. The daily candle is looking pretty ugly. If ES loses this uptrend and yesterday highs, we can have a major pullback here. Okay, I like that reaction. I'm gonna try it out. ES reaction. Yeah, it looks like a long now. Yeah, I got stop out there. Definitely looks like a long now. Let's see how this 5-minute candle is gonna close. Okay, I'm gonna try it again. Last one. Because it faked me out there. Okay, we're right at today's lows. I wanna see ES losing that. Okay. Nice trade. Finally, I got a good one. Beautiful. Yes, it's trying to hold today's lows. Nvidia holding the VWAP. Apple trying to hold pre-market low. I don't like that. I'm out. I'm out. If I see ES reacting today's low, I might take another one. But I don't like that strong bounce there.